Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Callina Aussie Vlog. I'm so incredible excited to be sharing this moment with you today. We're here in Hong Kong and my wonderful friend just brought us to what I genuinely believe is the best place to visit in the entire city, Harbour City. Seriously, if you're ever in Hong Kong, you absolutely cannot miss this opportunity. My friend knew we had to experience this before we head back to Australia, and I'm so incredibly grateful that
Guys,
she
we are
brought us
here. Ano
here.
daw ang tawag nito, te? Causeway Bay?
Harbor, North Harbor. We can we can walk down there and then you will see the little Dubai.
Little Dubai. So we are in Hong Kong.
Look at this, guys. The iconic of Hong Kong Harbor view from here is absolutely breathtaking. We definitely didn't want to live without experiencing this panorama. And it's even more stunning in person. It's just one of those views that stays with you. It's such a great, memorable moment.
Wait, it looks so close.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I just want to take you on a little journey with us back to one of the most incredible family adventures we'd ever had. Our trip to the vibrant city of Hong Kong. From the moment we arrived, the energy of Calvin and Isabella is just infectious. I thought they're not gonna like it because of the communication language barrier in case we get lost or something, but thank God because they are having fun. Calvin and Isabella likes catching the train and the food as well. But there's one particular moment that truly stands out. A memory will cherish forever. Isn't that good? Ah.
Video lang sa Dubai. Dubai.
Yes. Yeah. So we went so far away from the country.
Hindi ko makita.
Yung family niyo.
Easy. Hello, where are you?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Yes.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward,
Pag-pray natin na
never
makabalik ako
turn
next
back
year.
again.
Tapos bili tayo ng ano.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to
Little
leave you, but
Dubai.
now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Oh, very high.
Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from
boat up there. Honey, there's a big boat. There. That's not a boat. So windy. Gonna Victoria Harbor in Hong Kong.
Oh, that's not a cruise ship, that's a building.
Yeah.
Where they do football.
Hi everyone and welcome back. It's so good to have you with us again. So today we're here in Hong Kong Central, just roaming around and enjoying the incredible daylight. And I have to give a huge shout out to Calvin. He's been absolutely amazing. He was so confident navigating us here, knowing exactly which platform to catch the train without getting lost at all. It's been such a smooth journey thanks to him.
Hi guys, last day here in Hong Kong. So dumalagala kami dito sa Hong Kong before we're going to afternoon flight namin.
So guys, if you notice, it's just us today. Our wonderful friends here are busy with work commitments. So we're making the most of some special family time together, exploring every corner. And speaking of making the most of it, this is actually our last day here in this incredible city. So we have decided to dedicate it to a very important mission. Mission Dao, yes. Finding some fantastic souvenirs to take it back to Australia for all our loved ones.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
This one has water. You realize there's going to be everywhere?
People can stand up.
Last day, our last day here in Hong Kong. We're in the central, guys, just walking around.
You've only got 5 minutes. Huh?
How much was the chicken burger? How much was the chicken burger?
Our last day, going back tomorrow. It's actually quite very cold and windy. As you can see, I'm wearing 2 jackets. So we just come back from Central. It was pretty busy. So that's this medical center across the Hyatt Hotel. And this building is University siya. The bus station down there. And this is the Hyatt Hotel.
Way too far. Huh?
Way too far, I suppose.
I didn't think they were.
Yeah, blossoms. The Australian, is it?